Hello, class 3. Hope you're all well. I'm also fine. Today we shall discuss and learn about adverb. We have already completed parts of speech and verb in our first term. But in your syllabus, you will see there is a verb, but we have completed verb. You already learned the three forms of verb. So I'm starting with adverb. Let's begin, children. Adverb. Adverb, if we separate the word, it is add plus verb. But again we have add plus adjective also. And we have add plus adverb as well. We add adverb to adverb as well. Remember this is very important. Definition. An adverb is a word that describes verb, adjective, and adverb. Adverb is a word or the word that describes মানে তোমরা জানো, you know that, বর্ণনা করা। কি কাকে বর্ণনা করে? Verb. Verb means actions such as walk. Walk is a verb. So if I add adverb, he walks slowly. Slowly is an adverb. It is describing how he is walking. Adjective. Adjective is like beautiful is adjective. We can say she is very beautiful. But she is very smart. The very is adjective here, and the smart and beautiful is adjective. Adjective, we know that describes or qualifies noun or pronoun. Noun এবং pronoun এর দোষগুণ অবস্থা প্রকাশ করে. An adverb. If we say he walks quickly, then we can say he was very quickly. Adverb is describing the adverb. Okay. And we also can, I'm making this bigger so you can see this. And making it lesser. So it goes out and it comes in front. It becomes a window. Okay. Or poster. Adverbs. This is a chart and the adverbs we commonly use. We can also use adverb as how, often, when. If we answer it like this: how, when, where, often, the answers are adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how, often, when, and where. An adverb answers the question. We always remember that an adverb answers the question. How often, when, where. These are some common adverbs. Let's read this. Easily. How? Easily. Happily. Loudly. Easily, like how he dances easily. Happily. He sings happily. Loudly. He sings loudly. Quickly. He walks quickly. See how he walks. He walks quickly. Quietly. He reads quietly. How he reads? He did his work quietly. Reluctantly. How he studies reluctantly. Sadly. Silently. Slowly. Don't think that every adverb you can make adverb with ly always. Can't make adverb with ly always. How often? Kotobar. This also describes answers adverb. Always, every day, frequently, never, often, once, seldom, sometimes, twice. When, after, already, before, early, now, since, soon, today, yesterday. And where, away, everywhere, here, home, inside, near, outside, southward, northward, whatever, everything is when it comes to this part, there, here. This is a chart. There is not all the words, but the words we use in daily life. So let's move on to our next slide. Examples when describes verb. When adverb describes verb. 1. He sings. How he sings? Loudly. Loudly মানে কি জানো? চিৎকার করে করে। চিৎকার করে করে না, হেড়ে গলায় বলে। হেড়ে গলায় অনেকেই গায়, but that doesn't mean it sounds harsh. It also sounds very sweet also. একটা গান আছে না, হারে রে 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 করে, ওটা খুব সুন্দর লাগে গানটা শুনতে। কিংবা তোমরা যে গাও একদিন ছুটি হবে, ওটাও লাউডলি গাও, but it sounds so nice, na? Number 2, he walks fast. তাহলে how he walks is verb and fast is adverb. I feel happy. How I feel happy. Happy is a adverb. Now let's move on to our next slide. When adverb describes adjective. The book is more interesting. Here more is adjective. Then I thought. Interesting is কি বলতে পারবে? Interesting is হচ্ছে adjective, obviously, because I already wrote in the caption when describes adjective. She is quite pretty. Pretty is, since pretty describes her, a person. Pretty মানে হচ্ছে সুন্দর, সুন্দর, pretty, mishti. And quite pretty, যথেষ্ট সুন্দর. Quite is adverb. She has incredibly beautiful dress. See, beautiful is adjective and incredibly, অসম্ভব সুন্দর। এত সুন্দর ড্রেস আমি এখনো দেখি নাই অবশ্য। ওয়েডিং গাউন, স্যার, বিদেশিদের ওয়েডিং গাউন সুন্দর লাগে না অনেক? I like that. So your adverb is incredibly. Now, when adverb describes adverb. So she runs fast. She runs very fast. So adverb is describing another adverb. She sings too loud. Loud. And too. So adverb is describing another adverb. Loud is adverb. Too is also adverb. He smiled more warmly. warmly মানে খুব আন্তরিকতার সাথে হেসেছে, হ্যাঁ। Warmly is adverb, but more is also an adverb. So adverb is describing another adverb. How warmly he smiled? He smiled more warmly. So children, we have finished discussing adverb. You have HW today, that is adverb hunt. There are 5 sentences are here. You have to find out the adverb here. I won't give a hint because it is very easy. If you learn the regular adverbs there, I have given a chart in this lesson. You can do it here. Only 5. Please do this in your notebook and send me the image, okay? So bye bye, love you tons. And tons এর উপরে কি হয়? I have to ask your math teacher what. আমি বলতে পারি billion. I can tell money. Love you billions, love you millions. Love you. I love you. I love you 2. I love you 3. I love you 4. And I can say I love you more than you love me. So after that you can't say anything. And another is to the infinity. Infinity মানে হচ্ছে কোনো শেষ নাই. I love you to the infinity. একদম যার শেষ নেই এরকম ভালোবাসি। বাট তখন তুমি বলতে পারো I love you more than you love me. So there is no answer to I love you more than you love me. Okay. Bye. Stay safe. Stay home. And listen to your parents. Bye bye.